In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how we can get free data from MTN. Yes, you heard me right. Yes, free data. You're not going to spend a dime to get this data I'm going to share with you. All you need to do is to do this thing that I'm about to share with you, and then you'll be getting 1 gig, 2 gig, 10 gig, or even 4 gig from MTN. Alright. So if this is the first time I'm coming across my videos, hello, my name is Grace, and welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow our YouTube channel. So if this is anything close to what you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button, alright, and let's vibe together. And also give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will put this video out, alright, so that people can get this free data I'm about to share with you. Alright. So now, before you get this free data from MTN, you have to be on the MTN Pulse plan, alright? So if you don't know how to migrate to the MTN Pulse plan, I've already made a video. I'm going to attach the video to this video, alright? So you can just go there and watch that video so that you'll be able to, migrate to the Pulse plan before you will be a beneficiary of this free data that I'm about to share with you, alright? Without wasting your time, let me go and share with you step by step on how to get this free data from MTN. Alright, so let's go. Like I've said before, for us to get this free data from MTN, we have to migrate from any plan that you are to MTN Pulse. Alright, it's only MTN Pulse user is eligible to get this free data from MTN. Alright, so I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get this free data from MTN. Alright, so first thing first, you have to check how many pulse points that you have. Alright, so now because you are in pulse plan, any data you buy, MTN is giving you what is called pulse points. Alright, so now those pulse points now will now accumulate until the end of the year. If you don't use them from now till December 30th, those points will be removed. Alright, so any points you get from now till the end of December, it will be intact until after December. Everything will be wiped out. So any pulse points that you have, you can use it to buy MTN data. Alright, so now I'm going to be sharing with you or showing you how to first of all check your pulse balance. Alright, because any amount of points you have, pulse points that you have, you can actually use to get data from MTN without using a dime to buy data from MTN. Alright, so now for you to check your pulse points, you are going to dial *406 *406 *7 *4#. Alright, so this is what you need to do to check your pulse points first, so that you know how many data that is, or how many points that is left for you to get data. So do you see? Of course, any point that you have is equivalent to what the data you want to get. Like, data is 900 for 2.5 gig. Yeah, so if you have up to 900 pulse points, you can also get 2.5 gig from MTN. But then if you have more than that, you can also get more data from MTN. Alright, so now let me share with you how you can use these points to get data. Alright, so you dial the normal code that you want to use when you want to purchase data bundle. Alright, so I'm going to dial *312 star 312#. Alright, so once it pumps out, you are going to dial number 1, which is a data plan. Alright, once you get to this one, you can go for any one, either daily, weekly, monthly, 2 months. It depends on how many points that you have. Alright, so don't forget that. Alright, so if you have plenty of points, you can actually go for weekly. Alright, so now let us click on number 1 because I don't have much pulse points, so I'm going to go for the daily. So now for the daily, you're getting 75 MB with 75 naira. Alright, then 100 naira for 120 MB. Do you understand? So since I have up to 100 MB, I am going to go ahead and click on number 1. Let me use this one as an example to share with you guys. Number 1, don't forget, any amount of pulse points that you have, you can get higher amount of data from them. Alright, if you have up to 2000 points, you can imagine how many of data you will get from MTN. So now I'm going to click on number two, that is one off. I don't want it to automatically update. Now this is the point I want to lay emphasis on. You see, number one is airtime. So once you click on it, your airtime will be deducted. Then number two is the pulse points. Then number three is pulse point and airtime. So I'm going to go for number two alone, which is only pulse point. All right, so now let us go for it. Remember, we already clicked on how many we want to buy. Do you understand? So alright, so this is it. So activation of 25 MB daily plan at 25 naira was successful and expires on this. They have already sent me a message. Now they have removed it from my pulse points. Alright, so I'm going to go back and check my pulse point to share it with you guys. So as you can see, they say yellow, you have used 75 points to get 75 MB daily plan. Then your pulse points balance is 5 left. Do you understand? So this is it, guys. So they are telling me that I have 25 points that is left. Do you understand? So this is how you can actually get free data from MTN every day. I've told you that for you to get points is for you to buy data every single day. You have to buy data, keep recharging so that your points will be accumulating. All right, hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.